Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I did get finished with the Smith and Wesson American Series 6051 knife. I had to do a little bit to the blade, and now it's finished. Brass looks good, the handle looks better, and I'm just going to put this back in its sheath and put the belt clip back on it here in just a minute. I'll do that off camera though. What we're mainly going to talk about today is the Smith and Wesson Collectors Series. This says 6029, but it's actually a 6020. It is correctly, well, I guess it's a 6029. It's correctly Collectors Edition, Smith and Wesson Collectors Edition, number 0297 out of 1,000. There was only 1,000 of these knives made, so well, I kind of gave it away. This is supposed to be in the box too, but this thing's got everything with it. You know, it's got the knife, the blue knife sheath, and an inner sheath. I don't know why. I think someone just included that with it, but there's a couple of nice sheaths in there. I guess in case you didn't want to use the blue knife sheath, but you know, this is just a beautiful knife. It's don't tread on me. This is real silver, not the blade, but the handguard and the pommel. I polished them up with some silver polish, and the it says Collector's Edition. If you can make it, serial number 0297, and the wood looks great. It did have a crack in it. I got rid of the crack. You can't tell it anymore, but the knife itself is just beautiful. Very high. I might need to wipe it down a little bit. Let's actually do that. Let's wipe it down. May have fingerprints on it. I just got done polishing it, but it's still got some fingerprints on it. It's a fingerprint magnet now, of course. Polished up the silver. The blade looks, I love this "Don't Tread on Me," and it's got the eagle and the little filigree over here. It's got the banner. It's got the Smith and Wesson logo right there, and then it also says Smith and Wesson along the blade. Just really, really nice knife. Just beautiful. And it came with everything. Like, you know, it's got the Smith and Wesson box that's in really good shape. A Banger Punta Company. This was a 1973 knife, I'm thinking. But it came with, let's do this in order. Came with the blade protector, so you don't get cut. The really nice leather sheath. Polished the brass on it a little bit. Put a little bit of leather cleaner on it. Rubbed it down. It says Bowie Survival, and it's got the Smith and Wesson correct logo. This is the correct sheath for this knife, by the way. I don't know what these discolorations are on the leather. I think it's just over time. It's the color of it. But yeah, it's been in this bag for years, I suppose. And then we got the box. It's in pristine condition. We've got a letter from the Stephen Otway Product Manager Knives. It reads Deer Knife Collector. I'm not going to read this whole thing. But it's, it's got the letter of authenticity, I guess. Or letter of whatever from Smith and Wesson. Still got the warranty card. Warranty paper. Didn't know knives came with the warranty card until I started collecting these knives. There's all the information. And it's still got the original VCI paper. You can tell it's the original because this is the old style. It says, place opposite side against metal, world's finest handguns, even though this is a knife. But this is a nice touch to keep the thing from corroding or anything like that. Putting all this stuff back in here. And then we have the actual, this came with all the bells and whistles. We have the actual box, the Smith and Wesson box. It's even got a key to it. Well, now it's not going to open. Okay, but inside that little, here's the key. But it's really nice, It's custom molded for the knife. Place the knife inside. I don't know where this key is supposed to go, but it just looks really good in the knife, in the box. And then it closes, latches. A really nice engraved Smith and Wesson logo on it. The box is in excellent shape. It's even got the felt on the bottom. I don't know if you can see the texture of that, but it feels really cool. But yeah, this thing's got all the bells and whistles. Just a beautiful knife, just stunning. I seen them going on Fitzwillies for $7.75, and probably doesn't have all the bells and whistles like this one does. But that's kind of all I've got for today. I will see you guys on the flip side.